Hey guys, it's been a while. It's Lady Cinnamon. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, I just want to welcome you. I know it's been a while since I have not made a video for my subscribers, but thank you guys for being patient. I appreciate each and every one of you and love you so much. As you know, life happens, and for creators that work, it's really hard to try to get videos out when you get uber busy at work. And I'm also in a process where I'm transitioning. I'm going to be moving, and so it's a lot going on, but I'm back and I'm so happy to be back today. As you can see, I created these beautiful placemats. I'm going to show you how I created those, but first I just want to introduce you to the Daughters of Destiny. I'm doing a collaboration with them for Romance in Red for Valentine's Day, which is Debbie Bubbles, Shorty on the Spot, Gigi Face on Loving Home Decor, and of course myself. And these lovely ladies are amazing. I'm going to leave their links for the channels in the description bar below, along with the playlist link for all of our wonderful friends who will be participating, and for each and every one of our friends that's just going to be watching and supporting. We love you guys so much. Thank you for rocking out with us again and again. We really appreciate it. So as you can see, I have this gorgeous red feather trim. Is it not beautiful? And I love the way the light reflects. It's just gorgeous. And I'm going to be making some really easy, quick placemats. All you're going to need is feather trim, placemats. I wish I had red, but I could not find any. Glue gun, and of course a pair of scissors. And that's it, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Right here, I'm marking out where I wanted to place mine because I already pre-measured with a charger, or if you're using a plate, you don't use chargers, that's fine. You basically want to mark it out where you want it to be, where you want it to start, and that way it will fit your plate perfect. And before you start gluing it down, just make sure that your trim is on the right side. And that's basically all there is to it, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, I just want to say that a little bit goes a long way with this. You really don't want it to come too far out, and you definitely want to keep that hot glue away from the feathers. Once they get hot glue on them, they're basically destroyed. So you definitely want to be a little bit more careful than I'm being right here. I'm just so used to doing this. But yeah, just keep that in mind, guys. And all you need is a little dab will really do you with this, because the trim really takes to the hot glue really well. So guys, for all 4 of my placemats, it took less than 10 minutes. I love how high-end they look. They look very luxe, but they also can go with just about any decor or design style that you're into. You know, I just love the way they look, and you can switch this color up and really make it fit your personality and your decor. And it doesn't have to just be used for Valentine's Day. These would be perfect for Christmas. They would be perfect for even Halloween because of the black. It's just so many ideas that I can think of that you can actually use these red placemats for. So it doesn't just have to be for Valentine's Day, especially if you love red decor. You would love these. So guys, when you get to the end, you just want to make sure that you trim your you cut your trim rather on the trim and not the feathers. You really don't want to cut the feathers. They're so pretty, and you just want to keep them intact as best as you can. So I just want to show you how to cut the trim and right in between the feathers. And if you have a situation where you run out of trim by mistake, you can always patch it and you won't even be able to see it. The satin is very forgiving and it looks seamless. So I really love this DIY. Now you could do more than one row. As you can see, I just did one, but I'll probably go back if I want them really full. But this trim is so full, I don't really think it needs it. As you can see, the charger, it's perfect. So I hope you like this DIY. I'm also going to add in some goodies a little later on for the hubby for Valentine's Day, but I think these look amazing. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channels out. And please don't forget to go and check out my co-host links in the description bar below, along with all the other participants that will be on the playlist. You definitely want to check check them out and get really great ideas for Valentine's Day. And after all, it's a time for romance. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you are going to subscribe today, don't forget to hit the bell twice. You'll know whenever I upload a new video. I just want to say thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video, and thank you all for watching.